Orders. In this lecture, I will show you how you manage your orders in Shopify. Okay, let's take a quick look at the Shopify dashboard. Right over here, I clicked on orders and all orders. Here are all your orders coming in. So that's really great. It's really easy to manage your orders. And yeah, if you have drop shipping, you also can look at your orders, but you doesn't have to ship them. So if I look at abandoned checkouts, an abandoned checkout happens when a customer adds an item to their cart but doesn't complete the checkout process. So that is really useful if you see which products are popular by people and other products are less popular than that product. So that's really useful. So I go back to all orders, and now you know where your orders come in, and I wish you good luck with selling, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thanks.